Hello friends at home. In this video, I will be doing today's math lesson with you. We have opened up our math books here in the classroom to page 311, 311. It's lesson 8-6, you'll see at the top. And the title says addition sums through 20. So let's take a look here at this first page. It says Dennis has 9 books. Albert has 10 books. Who finds the correct sum? So looking here, Dennis uses 10 plus 9, and the order of the addends doesn't matter. He knows that he can put the 10 first or the 9 first. It doesn't matter. They're both combining to make one big number. And he says that a 10 is 1 10 rod and 9 ones. Well, 1 10 and 9 ones would make 19. So Dennis is correct. Over here, we have Albert. It says Albert says 9 plus 9 plus 1. So he says his doubles fact is 9 plus 9, and he knows that's 18. But then he has to add back in that 1 that he pulled out of the 10 to make 19. So let me switch over real quick to my whiteboard just to show you what he did there, because sometimes that doubles gets confusing. So he had 9 and 10. These are the two numbers that he's trying to combine in a pot, okay? And what he said was, if he takes this 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? And if he pulls out 9 of those, okay, so here's 9. Now he has 9 plus 9. And he knows his doubles. 9 plus 9 is 18. But he can't forget that there was that other 1 there. You see that other 1 right there? You can't just forget about it. So you got to bring that 1 back down and add it. So 18 plus 1 more, 19. So the question says, who was correct? Well, they're both correct because they both came up with a sum of 19. Okay, so let's go down now to where it says practice. And we're going to look at number 1 here. Some of you are kind of making little squeaky mousy noises. I need you to not do that right now, okay? All right, and it says look at the models and then use doubles plus 1 to add. So we have to get really good at our doubles. Looking at our numbers here, they're saying 9 plus 8. So they have 9 cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 8 cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what they decided to do was take the 8 red cubes and put them here. Take 8 of the green cubes and put them here. Well, my doubles fact, I know 8 plus 8 is 16. I know that because I know my doubles. So then 16 plus 1 more gives me my answer of 17, right? All right, let's take a look now at number 2, and I'm going to switch over to my whiteboard again so I can draw this for you. In fact, let's try it this way. If I go like this, then I can kind of split the screen here, and I'll draw right in here. So we're looking at number 2 right here. It's 8 plus 7, and they're showing that there are 8 green and 7 red. So what they've decided to do is, if they take 7 green plus 7 red, we know 7 plus 7 is 14, but we know we had that other green cube. We can't just forget about it. So we have to add it back in now. So 14 plus 1 equals 15. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. It's called doubles plus 1. Now, friends at home, I'm going to be teaching a doubles wrap to the kids today, and I want you to be a part of that doubles wrap. So there will be a second video posted for you in your math lesson today, and it's so you can practice and learn that doubles wrap as well. Because if you memorize the doubles wrap, then when you're doing this doubles addition, your brain will just know the answers. And once you know your doubles addition, your double subtraction is just as easy to say 14 minus 7 equals 7, because you know 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay? So let's go now to the top of the next page we are looking where it says use a strategy to find the sum. And as I told you this week when we were all virtual, and to those of you that still are, choose what method works best for you. I'm going to pause the video right now. I'm going to give you a few minutes to work through these problems. Once you have worked through them, I will unpause the video and go over the answers with you all. So friends at home, you're going to hit pause, work through 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you have your answers down, you'll unpause and we'll check the answers together. So right now, friends, go ahead and do 3 through 8. All right, friends, welcome back. Looking here, I will go over the answers very quickly. Number 3, they did for you. They said 7 plus 9 is 16, so you should have traced that 16. Looking here at number 4, 8 plus 9 is 17. I know that 8 plus 8 is 16, so one more would be 17. Number 5 is a doubles. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Number 6 is a doubles. 9 plus 9 is 18. Number 7, 9 plus 8 is 17. That works because I know 8 plus 8 is 16, so one more would be 17. And then looking at number 8, I know that 9 and 9 is 18, so 9 and 10 must be 19. Okay? So we'll switch back over now to the word problem here. It says Dakota sees 9 yellow baby ducks. So I'm going to write down 9 yellow baby ducks right here. And it says he sees one more brown baby duck than yellow. So it doesn't say he sees one brown duck. It says he sees one more brown than yellow. So yellow is 9, but brown is 9 plus one more. Okay? And then it says how many ducks does he see in all? Well, I know that 9 plus 9 is 18. That's a doubles. And if I take 18 plus 1, I get 19. So how many ducks does he see in all? 19. And how do we figure that out? Well, because we did our doubles plus one more. So on the line, you can write Dakota sees 19 ducks. Mateo, have a seat, please, okay? Thank you. Okay, let's go now to the top of the next page. This is just a little review of what we're already learning, but let's look at the more practice part. And for number 1, we have 8 plus 9. If I take my 9 and I take 1 away from it, now I have 8 plus 1. It's still 9, right? 8 plus 1 is 9. But now I have 8 plus 8 is 16. And then if I bring down my plus 1, what is 16 plus 1, everyone? Thank you, Blake, for being the only one in the room paying attention. What is 16 plus 1, everyone? 17. So your answer here is 17. Let's take a look at number 2. We have 7 plus 8. I know that another way to write 8, if I had 8 cubes and I took 1 away, I would have 7 plus 1. It equals 8. So now what I can do is combine my 7 plus 7. That's a double. 7 plus 7 is 14. Whoops, let me get myself out of the way here. But I can't forget about this plus 1, so I bring down my plus 1. Everyone, what is 14 plus 1? 15. So right here, 7 plus 8 equals 15. Looking down at number 3, it says 8 plus 8. Well, that's a doubles. 8 plus 8 is 16. You should know your doubles. You should know 8 plus 8 is 16, okay? Number 4, I have 8 plus 7, okay? 8 plus 7. If I take this 8 and I say 7 plus 1 is 8, now I can combine my 7s. 7 and 7 is 14, but I can't forget this plus 1. So 14 plus 1, everyone, equals 15. So your answer for number 4 is 15. And then number 5 says 10 plus 9. Well, 9 plus 9 is 18. So if I take my 10 and I make it 9 plus 1, then I can combine my 9 and 9 to get 18. And then I add in that plus 1. 18 plus 1, everyone, is 19. So you should have 19 for number 5. All right, right now on your own, I would like you to work through the problems on the back, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then try to do the word problem on your own. I will post the answers for you at the end of this video. Check your work. Make sure that you are choosing the strategy that you think works best for your brain. Go ahead and work through these now, friends, and I will post the answers at the end of the video. Go ahead and pause and get to work. All right, friends at home, here are your answers. Make sure you check your work. Friends in the classroom, do the same. 10 plus 10 is 20. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 plus 10 is 19. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And for your problem solving, it said there are 10 green bugs. There are the same number of brown bugs as green. So how many bugs are there in all? Well, if it's the same number, it's a double. So 10 plus 10, it equals 20 altogether. Blake, there are 10 bugs. Friends at home, make sure you check your work. I hope that you are finding your answers to be accurate. And don't forget to watch the Doubles rap song, the next video I posted for you today. Bye, friends.